Check this out. You got 16 new homes here, 18 new homes there, 15 new homes there, 4 new homes there, 13 new homes there, and 40 new homes there. That's over 100 houses built in this one small pocket. Now, if they're building this many houses, that tells me one thing. They're buying land, which means there's an opportunity to wholesale land directly to them. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find clusters just like this, how to identify the builders behind them, and how to lock up the land that they need at 80% of what they're currently paying. You don't need cash, you don't need credit, and you don't need to own land. Let me show you how this works. What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Welcome to this video. So when I see 40 houses here, 23 over there, 18 over there, I don't see houses. I see land demand. And when builders are building houses at this level, that means they're actively buying lots. But here's something beginners mess up. When they start to make money wholesaling land to these big builders, they mix their personal money with their business money. You don't want to do that. Let me show you a better way. When it comes to collecting rent, when it comes to dispersing all of the expenses, when it comes to receiving income, Baselane is the platform that streamlines everything for me. Here's how it works. So basically, when it comes to Baselane, I want to be clear about something. It's not a bank, it's a banking platform. Now, within that banking platform, you can set up an operating account where you can receive all of your rental income if you wanted to use that for that purpose. What I typically do is I'll set up sub accounts under the operating account, the main operating account, and each sub account will be attached to a different property. For example, I might have, let's say, one rental property within the banking platform. And what I'll do is I'll have my tenants pay Baselane through that particular account. So when my tenants automatically make their payments on the first of the month, Baselane will pull the money directly into the sub account. Now, within that sub account, let's say that there's a mortgage tied to that particular property. I'll have the payment for the mortgage go directly out to the mortgage company. The rest of it is all profit. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and after all of the maintenance and expenses and things like that that comes from the property, we'll go ahead and pay ourselves from that particular account. Baselane allows you to do that. It keeps track of all of your expenses, all of your income, really keeps all of the records and everything like that tied in. So at the end of the year, it's much easier for you to handle your taxes and you can really know how much you're netting on each property. In order to get started with Baselane, be sure to check the link in the description box below, and let's get back into the content. All right, now here's the key. Most beginners try to guess where to find land deals. That's backwards. You don't guess, you reverse engineer demand. When I see so many houses built in one pocket, I know builders are actively buying land here. So step number one is simple. You want to identify the clusters. Let me show you how to do it. In order to find the clusters, all you need to do is go to Zillow.com. Now, once you go to Zillow, all you want to do is type in a city or state where you're looking to find land opportunities in. For example, I'm going to type in North Carolina. Now, once I search in North Carolina, you're going to see there's 67,275 results that popped up. Now, that's a mixture of homes and land and everything. What I want to do is search for properties for sale under the first drop-down menu. Then I'm going to go over to where it says home type, and I'm going to deselect everything. And I simply want to select houses. And I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. Now, once I click on apply, I'm going to go over to where it says more. And I just want to make sure that new construction is the only thing selected. Now, once I select new construction, what I want to do is put in a minimum year built and a maximum year built. So for the purposes of this video, given the time frame we're in, we're going to do 2025 and 2026. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. And as you can see, that number dropped down drastically to 15,662. Now, all I want to do is find the clusters where these new construction properties are being built. So, for example, you can see a small cluster right here. You can see a cluster right here. You can see another cluster right here. And then you have a smaller cluster right here. And one thing I like about Zillow is it'll tell you exactly where the big players are building houses right now. For example, you have 20 new homes right here, 23 new homes. You have 9 homes. You have 9 homes right here, another 4 homes, and so on and so forth. These are your big players in these particular areas. So let's zoom in to the area where these 23 new homes are being built by this one player. Now, as you can see, once you zoom in, there's going to be a lot of other players in that area as well. For example, you have 18 new homes from one builder right here, 23 new homes, 22 new homes, 21 new homes, 20 new homes. What you want to do is make a list of all of these builders with multiple houses up for sale on the market and contact them for their buying criteria. So for example, if I click on this one builder right here with 23 new houses up on the market right now, and I scroll down to where their information is located, I'll see that this particular builder's name is Meritage Homes. And then I have the builder's details right here. So I can literally grab their phone number, pick up the phone, and give them a call. Now, this is a strategy I taught in my first How to Wholesale Land video 3 years ago. You can see it right there. And as you can see, not much has changed. You can still contact builders using Zillow. Now, once you gather a list of these phone numbers, the next thing you want to do is give these builders a call and vet them to see exactly what they're buying right now, so you can go out there and find exactly what they want and wholesale it to them. What I would do is pick up the phone and actually give them a call and say something like this. My name is Jamel. I see you're actively building houses in the area. I source off-market land opportunities locally and wanted to see if you're actively buying. And then what you want to do is simply carry the conversation in order to find out the following criteria from them. You want the ideal lot size or acreage. You want the target lot basis. You want preferred zip codes. And you want to find out if they want infill lots or small subdivisions or land they can subdivide themselves. And you also want to find out if they want raw land or entitled land only. Now, once you have the buying criteria from the builders in the local area, all you need to do is go out there and find the land. Now, there's a lot of different ways to find land opportunities, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to focus on Zillow. Let me show you how. All right, now, in order to find the land, all you want to do is take the same vicinity where the builders that you're contacting are located, and you want to zoom in order to be able to dictate the neighborhoods that they're building in. Now, once you zoom into the vicinity where these builders are building houses, all you got to do is go out and find the land in those particular neighborhoods. The best way to do that is to first go over to the More tag. You're going to deselect new construction. You're going to notice that the map is going to go blank. So basically what you want to do is clear the entire filter under the More tag. You're going to click on Apply. Then you're going to go over to where it says Home Type. And rather than houses, you're going to select Lots and Land. And then you're going to click on Apply there. And then you're going to go back to where it says Listing Type and type in For Sale and click on Apply. And you'll notice that there's 82 results that just popped up just in this vicinity. So it's your job to contact every single one of these listings to see if you can work a deal. Now that we found the land, all we need to do is search for every single opportunity that fits the criteria that the builder is looking for. And being that we know the builder's price point, all we got to do is offer 80% of what the builder is willing to pay. That extra 20% is all profit in your pocket. So for example, if we find a builder that's interested in that lot for $200,000, and we know that the builder is willing to pay the $200,000, all we got to do is offer 80% of that. That'll be $160,000. The sellers of the property can say yes, or they can say no. If they say yes, great, you make $40,000, which is 20% of the $200,000. If they say no, they want $180,000, you make $20,000. But once you find a solid deal, all you got to do is put the property under contract, then simply contact your builder and assign the contract directly over to them. Now, let me say this. This is not about getting one deal. This is about building relationships with 3 to 5 builders in hot pockets. Once they trust you, they'll tell you exactly what they need. That's when this becomes predictable income. Another thing I want to mention is wholesaling is a simple business, but it's not an easy business. It's entirely up to you to get out there and do the work. So although this is very easy to do, you got to put in the work in order to be able to materialize what you want out of this business. And if you want some help with that, be sure to check the link in the description box below. Let's set up a quick 15 to 20 minute phone call to see if we're going to be the right fit to work together. And I'll be able to help you go from where you are to where you want to go in this business. It's drastically going to speed up your results and help you to get to where you want to go a lot faster. In order to start wholesaling land this year and do it consistently, all you want to do is find the clusters where home builders are currently building. Contact the builders in order to be able to build relationships with them, and then simply start finding the deals in those local areas. If you found value in this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and tell me what other questions you might have regarding this particular topic. I'll be sure to go deeper into it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.